Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Google Doc form. To begin, open Google Forms directly in your web browser. You can also access it through Google Drive by clicking New and then Google Forms, or even from a Google Doc. Once there, you can start with a blank form or select one of the many helpful templates available to get a head start. Now, let's design your form. Use the floating toolbar on the right to add new questions. You have several options, such as short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, or a drop-down menu. Make sure to mark essential questions as required so no one skips them. You can also add sections to break your form into manageable pages. Next, personalize your form's look and feel. Click the palette icon to customize the theme, choosing colors, header images, and font styles. In the Settings tab, you can control how responses are collected, like automatically gathering email addresses. You can also limit responses to just one per person, which is useful for surveys or registrations. Finally, it's time to share your form and view the results. Click Send to share it via email, get a shareable link, or embed it on a website. Once responses start coming in, you can view them directly in the Responses tab. For more detailed analysis, export all the data to a Google Sheet, which is incredibly helpful for organizing and understanding your information.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.